Hello students, I hope you all will be good at your places, and today I am just going to start the exercise 33A in data handling. Okay, in this we will just solve some questions related to the given data. This is very easy exercise. So let's start the exercise 33A. The first question of this exercise is saying that the marks scored by 30 students are given and you have to just give the answer of the following question. You can see here that these are the marks scored by 30 students. Okay, 38, 46, 33, 45 and so on. And some questions are given and you have to just give the answer on the basis of this given data. Got it? So first of all, the first part of this question is saying that what is the highest mark, okay, scored by the student. So if you will observe all the data, if you will just see all the marks scored by the student, then you will find that 85 is the highest mark scored by the student. Okay, so you will write the 85. 85 is the highest mark scored by the student. Now the lowest mark scored by the student. What is the lowest mark scored by the student? So if you will observe all the data, then you will find that 22. Okay, 22. 22 is the lowest mark scored by the student. Now the third part of this question is saying what is the range of the marks. Range of the marks means that what is the gap between the highest and the lowest mark. What is the gap between the highest and the lowest mark. So what you will do, you will just subtract the lowest mark by the highest mark. 85 minus 22, so you will get the 63. So 63 is the range of the marks. Got it? Now I am just going to tell you the question number 2. In this question you have to just draw a frequency table of the given data. One more thing, that the question number 5 is exactly same as the question number 2. That's why I have written here the question number 2 and 5. But I am telling you the question number 2 over here, and question number 5 you will do on your own. Now we will talk about the question number 2. So as you can see here that in this question some data is given in form of the number, and if you will observe whole data, you will find only 4 type of number are given: 28, 30, 32 and 34. 28, 30, 32 and 34. In whole data only 4 type of number are there. Okay, now what about the frequency table? In frequency table we have to draw only 3 columns, 1, 2 and 3. In first column we will just write the number. Okay, number means for the data. Now second column is the tally mark, in which we have to put the tally mark for the given number. Okay, and in third column we have to write the frequency for the given data, given number. Okay, got it? For tally marks and the frequency I have already told you in the last video. So how do we fill rest of the column? In first column we will write all those 4 numbers which are given in the data: 28, 30, 32 and 34. Now we will see how many times 20 is occurring in whole data. Okay, we will just count. Here in tally marks we just write the counting of the given data. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 times 28 occurs in whole data. So you will draw the 4 lines. I told you that tally marks are shown by the vertical lines. Okay, 28 occurs 4 times in whole data, so that's why we have just drawn the 4 lines. Got? Now 30. How many times 30 has come in all data? 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we will draw the 8 lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we always draw the 5th line diagonally. Okay, oblique. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Got it? Now after that 32. How many times 32 has come? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So we will draw the 10 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and as I told you, fifth line will be diagonally or oblique, and again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 34. How many times 34 has come? 34. 1, 2, 3, okay, and only 3 times has come, so we will draw the 3 line. Got? Same number we will write here. 4, 28 has come the 4, so the frequency will be the 4. 30 has come for 8 times, and 32 has come 10 times, and 34 has come 3 times. So the frequency of 28 is 4, and 30 for 38, and the frequency of 32 is 10, and the frequency of 34 is 3. If you will just do addition of this, so you will get the 25. Okay, total frequency if you have to find, you will just add all of this. 4, 8, 12, and 10, 22, and 3, 25. Okay. Now I am just going to tell you the question number 8. In this question, again you have to just construct the frequency table and answer the given question. Okay. As you can see here that I have already written the question number 8 over here, and in this question some data is given like 9, 17, 12, 29, and so on, and some questions are given, and you have to answer this question on the basis of this data. So if you will observe again, then you will find only 7 type of number are given over here. Okay, only 7 type of number are given here. So first of all, you will just construct the frequency table for the given data. Got it? So first number we will write, that is the 9. Okay, 9 is given. Then we will just arrange all the number in ascending order. Okay, then after which number is given? 12, and after 12, 17, and after 17, 18, and after 18, 19, and after 19, 20, and at last 25. Okay. Got it? Now we will put the tally mark for this number. So first of all, the 9 is given. So we will see how many times 9 has come in whole data. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 5 times 9 has come, so we will draw the 5 lines. Okay, fifth line always be drawn obliquely. Okay, diagonally. After that 12 is there. So how many times 12 has come? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 times 12 has come, so we will draw the 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the 17. 1, 2, and 3. 3 times 17 has come, so we will draw the 3 lines. After that 18. 18 has come. 1, 2 times, so we will draw the 2 lines. Now 19, 1, and 2. So again we will draw the 2 lines, and 20, 1, and 2. So we will draw the 2 line again, and for 25, 25 has come the 1 and only 1 time. Okay, No, 2 time has come. So we will draw the 2 line. Okay, 25 has also come 2 time in whole data. Now we will write the frequency for whole data. So 9 has come the 5 times, so we will write the 5. 12 has come the 4 times, so you will write the 4. 17 has come 3 times, so you will write the 3. Okay, 17 has come 3 times, so you will write 3. Now 18 has come 2 times, so you will write the 2. 19, 20 and 25 all has come for 2 times, so you will write the 2, 2, 2. Got it? So this is the frequency table of the given data. The frequency of 9 is 5, the frequency of 12 is 4, the frequency of 17 3, and the frequency of rest of the number is 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Got it? Now we will just answer the question of this question number 8. First question is saying, how many numbers are less than 90? How many numbers are there less than 90? So this is the 90, and these are the numbers which are less than 90. Okay, so we will just add their frequency. 5 4 3 2. 9 has come the 5 times, 12 has come the 4 times, 17 has come the 3 times, and 18 has come the 2 times. Okay, these numbers are less than 90. You can see here that 18, 17, 12 and 9, these numbers are less than 90. So to find the number less than 90 which has come in whole data, we will just add their frequency. Okay, so 5 4 3 2, 5 4 9 and 3 and 2, it is 14. So the answer of this question is 14, means there are 14 numbers less than 90. Okay, now the second part of this question is saying that how many numbers are there more than 20, and in table you can see there that only 25 is the number that is more than 20, and 25 has come 2 times, means the frequency of 25 is 2. So the answer of this question will be 2. Okay, more than 20, only 25 is there, and 25 has come the 2 times, so the answer will be 2. Now after that, the third part of this question is saying that you have to tell the most occurring number, means you have to tell that which number has come maximum time in the given data. कौन सा number सबसे ज़्यादा बार आया है? If you will just observe the frequency table, then you will find that the frequency of 9 is maximum, that is the 5. Okay, means 9 number सबसे ज़्यादा बार दिए हुए डेटा में आया है. So 9 is the answer. The most occurring number will be the 9. Okay, so these were some questions which I told you in this exercise, and all the questions are very easy. Rest of the question you will do on your own. Till then you just keep practicing. Thank you.